Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the empirical paper. So this is an assignment we will be completing throughout the course of the term. So you're going to form hypotheses, collect data, and write a paper. This paper is going to mirror the sorts of papers that are published in journals in our field. This paper is also going to be an opportunity to apply what you've learned throughout this spring term. So the paper is going to be broken up into 7 parts, 7 assignments. You have the code book, annotated reference list, introduction section, data collection, methods section, results, and the final paper with discussion. So in the code book, you're going to talk about what items or questions you're going to use to collect your data. So if you're measuring depression, you'll say, how depressed have you been feeling on a scale of 1 to 10? And then the next assignment is the annotated reference list. So this is where you're going to gather past articles on the topic you're studying. And then the next assignment is the introduction section. You're going to introduce your study, talk about the past articles that people have used, your hypotheses, that sort of stuff. And then you're going to actually collect data, and you're going to make a survey on a survey website called Qualtrics. And then you're going to be able to send it out to people, and they'll be able to take your survey. And then you have the methods section, and you're going to describe who's in your sample, how you collect the data, and what items you use to measure what you were wanting to measure. And then the results section, what did your data say? And we'll go into more of that later on. And then the last assignment is the final paper with the discussion. So you're going to turn in the last part of the last section of the paper, and you're going to the discussion section, discuss the results in detail, and then you're going to also turn in the full paper. So that's included with the intro, methods, and results sections as well that you already turned in. So you would turn in the intro, methods, and results earlier on in the semester so that we can give you feedback on what you wrote, and then you can turn in a better version of those sections with the final paper. So with some of these assignments, you'll get automatic credit for just turning the paper in on, or turning the assignment in on time. So like the introduction section and the methods sections. But some of these assignments will be graded for quality from the get-go, so like the code book or the results section. And then, however, even the introduction and the methods section, even though initially you just get automatic points for turning those assignments in, once we get to the final paper, those sections will be graded for credit. And you will have gotten feedback on those sections so that you can write quality, you can make those parts of your paper quality. So in a nutshell, that is the empirical paper that we will be doing throughout this semester.